It doesn't matter whether you are a day trader, momentum player, or a long-term investor. No matter who you are and what you do, you must make right choices daily to survive and grow in this market. But a lot of investors struggle while making these right choices. Who will guide them? And which strategies will help them make these right choices? Hi, I am Apurva Sheth, Chief Markets Editor at Samco Group. I am on a mission to help you make these right choices. Presenting the Right Choices Show, where I will invite real-world stock market heroes every week. Heroes who have succeeded in the markets and are willing to share their insights with you. Now, our only objective is to bring actionable and insightful strategies which can help you make these right choices in the markets. Tune in to The Right Choices with Oracles of Dalal Street on our YouTube channel every Saturday at 11 a.m. See you there.